Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cake pop makers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Nice Kitchen Cake Pop Maker. You could use the cake decorating tools, change the tips of the decorative pen, switching the pattern. And you can design various patterns you like. If you want to melt chocolate or candy, a chocolate candy melting pot can help you well. You will be glad to show your cake works. When you make a ball with a cake pop mold, insert candy sticks with melting chocolate, drizzled chocolate. Also candy wrap cupcake wrappers and fix it on the cake pop stand. It is really perfect. You will receive many compliments on your cake decoration. You can save for use in the oven, dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and microwave, and suitable for temperature 40°F to 446°F. At number 6 we have Cake of Eden Cake Pop Maker. This easy and fun to use kit only needs regular cake mix and simple ingredients to bake delicious mouth-watering round cake pops. You can bake and decorate 20 mouth-watering cake pops. And imagine the love and fun your kids will have. The kit comes with 120 sticks, a dipping pot, and icing pen, baggies and ties, and perfect for decorating parties. It is made from high-quality 100% food-grade silicone and is food safety approved, microwave, freezer, and heat resistant to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 5 we have Yuli Cake Pop Maker. It comes with the 2 cake pop baking molds. You can make 40 delicious cake pops one time. It will make a lot of fun with your family in the process of baking cakes, melting chocolates and decorating the pops. The cake pop molds, melting pot, muffin, cupcake molds are made of food-grade silicone and can be used repeatedly. It can be used in oven, dishwasher, freezer and microwave, and suitable for temperature 40°F to 446°F. The kit comes with an instruction manual to tell you how to make cake pops and install the 3-tier display stand. These molds are rust-free and very easy to clean. You can make your cake pops decoration easy and clean. At number 4 we have Hike's Cake Pop Maker. The cake pop molds made of good quality food-grade silicone. It is BPA-free, waterproof, soft, not easy to deform, non-stick, easy to pop out, and easy to clean, high temperature resistance. The 20-cavity silicone cake pop tray can baking 20 perfect mini cake pops in minutes. It has non-stick baking tray, easy to release and clean, withstand temperatures up to 230°C/446°F. It is safe for use in the oven, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher and microwave. Whether you're a beginner or a professional or even a kid, this cake pop set will help you to start your baking journey and share the fun of DIY lollipop with family and friends. At number 3 we have Yuli Cake Pop Maker. You can make 40 delicious cake pops with the 2 cake pop molds at one time. And great fun with your children in the process of baking cakes, melting chocolates and decorating the pops. The kit comes with an instruction manual to tell you how to make cake pops and install the 3-tier display stand. These molds are rust-free and very easy to clean. The cake pop molds, melting pot, muffin, cupcake molds are made of food-grade silicone and can be used repeatedly. It is suitable for temperature 40°F to 446°F. You can enjoy the fun of DIY and add family fun time in the kitchen with your family. At number 2 we have Hami Cake Pop Maker. It comes with 2 sets of cake pops molds and 2 digit and heart-shaped molds. You can get 20 perfect mini cake pop, 12 muffin cakes and different types hard candies at once. To show your DIY handwork by filling the white 3-tier display stand holder. It is made of non-stick and 100% food-grade silicone molds, 40°F to 446°F. Both the stainless steel melting pot and silicone lollipop molds are dishwasher safe. You can enjoy making cakes and sharing sweet happiness with your family and friends. The stainless steel melting pot will be your good helper to melt cheese or chocolate. The decorating pen with 4 tips will be a good helper when you want to further decorating cakes and cookies. At number 1 we have Potalai Cake Pop Maker. The cake decorating pen comes with 4 tips, can be applied to make various patterns. You like to decorate cupcake spreads, lollipops, etc. You can use a 250 ml silicone measuring cup to get the required amount of water and flour for better baking. The clear lollipop holder with smooth surface is reusable, hard to deform, and easy to clean with water or wipe with paper towel. This silicone baking mold has strong toughness and can be applied repeatedly and withstand temperature range from 40°F to 446°F. These are entry-level baking kits, easy to use, install and clean. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cake pop makers for your need.